Yeah, day of 3rd of February, Friday, up here at the little building. Sun finally come out. And tomorrow it's supposed to cloud up, start raining again. Oh well. Anyway, sitting there at the house and I got a call from a little old lady researching an old school that my dad had bought back in the day, turned into a factory. Want to know if I had a picture of it, and actually I did. So asked her to meet me up here at the little building, and brought the picture up so she can take some pictures of it. And this is one of my other long term projects. I needed some laterals down here on the bottom of my pipe thread machine to hold my pipe threading oiler and bucket. Something I've been meaning to do for, oh God, a long time. Oh, let's see what we got here. And there you go. Before, I just set it beside the machine, and again, this metal I used was those fence stretching flats from the old fence from the dog kennel, so the metal was free. Took exactly one welding rod and some squirts of spray paint that I already had. So looks pretty good now. I like it. And next thing that was bugging me, when I set my lathe, I was 1.5 inches off on equal distance from the wall, front to back. And it just bugged the hell out of me. So went ahead and, using the side shift on the fork truck, gently shifted 1.5 inch correction. Now I go back and check all my leveling feet, check my level, make sure I'm still good there. The mill has turned into an absolute fiasco. It's a distributorship that I'm buying it from, and they have no honor whatsoever. First mill I ordered, delay in shipping, and a month ago they were telling me it would ship in May, which I hear June, and it's a moot point. No one can make a prediction 5 months out with any kind of accuracy. They was pulling a month out of the sky saying, "Don't worry, Mr. Snow, it'll ship." So I said, okay, I'm not going to deal with that. Locate one in stock, ready to ship. Email me back, okay, this one's in stock, ready to ship, costs a little more. I said, okay, whatever. It is ready to ship. Yep. You gotta hurry up and pay for it so we can get it on truck. I'll do the wire transfer the day after Martin Luther King Day. And I upheld my end. Then I got an email. Won't ship for 6 weeks. Called them. Said, hey, you told me this thing was in stock, ready to ship. Why am I seeing an email that says it's 6 weeks out, which is total bogus? There's no telling. We'll get back to you. So anyway, a couple days ago they got back to me. Well, it won't ship until June. I said, cancel the order. I said, start recording this conversation. And I told them they were dishonest, disingenuous, had no honor whatsoever, pulled the old upsell sales tactic on me, and flat lied to me about availability. I said, your company has no honor. If you don't see a problem with this, you have no honor. And got an email back today, order been canceled. I said, well, that's just wonderful. Where's my money? Still waiting on that email. So a couple days ago, got to looking around. There's a company here in Texas that brings in and goes through all types of machine shop machines. They've got a Bridgeport 2 horsepower machine. They all say it came from a technical school. We'll see when I go look at it. Price point's okay. Nothing to get excited about. Nothing to get depressed over. It's close enough I can drive down with my high cube cargo trailer and haul it myself. Don't have to worry about a freight line dropping it. And they're concerned about me hauling it in a closed trailer. I said, trust me, it'll take me an hour or more to rig it the way I want to rig it within that trailer. Y'all just bear with me, and it will not move or shift or tip when I'm going down the road when I get done. So I can pay in $100 bills, I can bring cashier's check. What would you prefer? Well, we like cash too. I said, I'll bring $100 bills. Got no problem with that whatsoever. So as soon as I get the tax-free document to them and get the performer invoice, I'll firm up the PO and we'll pick a date sometime in the next week or two. And I should have stayed with shopping in Texas to begin with. That's on me. So I was planning on bringing down an iron worker, brand new, but I'm going to hold off on that iron worker till I get my mill in the building and set where I want it. It makes it easier to get the stuff in here if I don't have to move a bunch of stuff to get the other stuff in. So that's the plan there. I'll send an email to the, I'm buying direct from the manufacturer, US made, on the iron worker with accessories. It's not just the iron worker. And then I'll let him know what I want to do. He'll be okay with it. And yeah, this is a new generation on how they conduct business, and it blows. It absolutely blows. As a business owner before I'd retired, my word was my bond. If I said it, it was going to happen. I never misled customers. I never oversold. I never overpromised. If I was running behind, I'd give them a call. I didn't wait for them to call me. And that made me quite successful. But nowadays, people got no long-term vision. And I did let the people who are trying to sell me the mill that's never available, that they just blew off another $40,000 in sales just from me. And I'll spread the word. I'll be happy to, about how they treat customers and potential customers and how they have no honor. And wish them the very best. So anyway, I'm going to sit up here and piddle for a little bit. It's still early afternoon. Enjoy what little bit of sun I got today. And about all for this one. Thank you.